Alrighty, so a little update. Finally, I actually found a short block that includes my crankshaft. It has the pistons. It even has the tensioner. It has the timing belt for the tensioner, the oil pump, or no, it's the other way around. This is the tensioner. This is my oil pump. And then, of course, to the crankshaft. And it also came with it's coming with the timing chain that gets hooked up to my valve lifters right here. Now, the only thing is I haven't bought it yet, and that's because it's in North Carolina, and I need to look at it. I found it on Facebook Marketplace, and then I ran into another problem is that this is my car. This is my daily driver right here. It's a 2010 Ford Edge, but the trunk is a cloth material, meaning if I get oil on it, it's really hard to take out. And since this truck is not running, it has a wonderful bed, but since it has no engine in it, I can't take it to North Carolina with me. So, as a substitute, we have this Proline modified trailer. So this is just like a standard Proline trailer, and even came with the full, I'm not sure what the word is for it, and it came with the side bed as well. But we modified it to make it into a flatbed, and now it sits right here. But there's one problem, and that is this taillight back here. That taillight doesn't work. It does partially, but the blinker doesn't work on it, which is illegal to drive. So we're gonna try and fix that. And for that, I have to move the trailer down here. So we're gonna grab our adapter and our tri-hitch. We're gonna be using a 2-inch ball for this trailer and hooking up to the back of the car. Alrighty, we have that hooked up, and now we're gonna drive and reverse up to there and hook up the trailer. One of the problems with parking a trailer up on a hill is that you have to get it perfectly lined up with the hitch. There is no, because we got those rocks right there to stop the trailer from moving forward. So, you have to line it up pretty perfectly. And then hope for the best that, you don't have to keep retrying every single time. There's a groundhog somewhere around here that literally, it ran across here while I was hooking up the trailer. I'm like, what is going on? And I'm hooking up the trailer, and I'm literally standing here, and this groundhog just runs straight underneath me over there. Oh, was that it? No, that was just me. So this is what I was talking about. You see that I have my hazards on for both of my lights, and this left one isn't working, but this right one's not working. It's supposed to be working. It's definitely wired up. Oh, I forgot to connect that. Alrighty, now that that's connected, we have our hazards on, and this left one is not working, but this right one is. So let's go fix that. Alrighty, so I had a problem that the fuse. So the trailer's actually good. My fuse, I don't know if you can see it very well on camera, it's blown for my left blinker light. So we're gonna go to the Advanced Auto and get a 10 amp fuse. Got the fuses. Alrighty, so here's a fuse box. And it's that one right there. That's where I pulled it out of. And so we're gonna take our 10 amp fuse right here. You can see it says 10 on the top of it. And then we're gonna simply just drop it on in there, like so. Now, let's see if this thing works. All right, we got it plugged in, and voila. This thing is now working perfectly good. We can mount it on the frame, and we can go pick up that short block this weekend. I have come to that moment where I don't have my 10mm bolt. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I got the light set up on that one, and I have the light set up on that one. Look at the truck, it's so cute. Anyways, that'll be it for tonight. I'm gonna wake up. Well, actually, I'm gonna contact the seller, tell him that I'm coming tomorrow, and then we're gonna wake up and travel on down there. Alrighty, so I got the exact address of this place. I'm not gonna show it, but it's about 2 hours and 20 minutes, depending on traffic of the day. But my dad and I will leave tomorrow morning, and we'll travel down there. We'll pick up that short block if, and only if, it looks good. And then we're gonna drive back up, and I'm gonna start putting the engine back together, hopefully. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit the video that I just made. I'm gonna post it, and then hopefully tomorrow there'll be a new video, or you know, when the engine is done being built. I'm so excited. Okay, see you guys then.